Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12X and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on About Phone. Here we have to scroll down a little bit to enter Backup and Restore option and scroll down again to the Google Backup section. And as you can see, in my case, this option is turned off. So first of all, we have to turn on the Backup My Data option. So simply tap on this switcher here, and after getting back, you can see that the Backup Account option is right now active. So we can tap on it. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. What's more, we do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and tap on Next. And as you can see, your device will autofill it. So right now I have to enter the password. Let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on Next. Right now we have to decide who will be using this device. I will stick with this option, but of course you can pick your child. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so we can read it, just tap on it, and here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, but we can just tap on accept. Probably we will be transferred to the Google One section, let's say. So let's tap on accept. Yes, and here we've got the section in which we can check all the details about the backup. So here we've got the info that we can use 15 gigabytes of Google account to store and backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. We can of course tap on more details to learn more. What's more, here we've got the info that our data will be backed up automatically. This device and actually the Google feature will store it securely, and you will be able to manage your backup easily. So if you want to back up the data right now, just tap on Turn On. If not, just tap on Not Now. If for some reason you do not want to back up the data, and after that, if you will decide that you want to, then you will not have to go through the whole process. All you have to do is to simply tap on Backup Account and simply pick the one you've previously set. And as you can see, you will get back directly to this step without the need to go through the whole operation of adding it and so on. So just tap on Turn On then, and basically this is it. This is how to backup, how to enable Google Backup in your Xiaomi 12X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.